Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a get to know me video while I fold my laundry. I'm gonna be answering some questions I found online so you can get to know me a little bit better. If you like the video, please subscribe for more cleaning motivation. So let's get started. Number 1. How old are you and where are you from? I'm 20 years old and I come from a small country in Europe called Slovenia. Number 2. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have a sister and she is 9 years younger than me. Number 4. Are you single? No, I have a boyfriend and we've been together for almost 5 years now. Number 5. Do you have kids? If not, how many you want to have? No, I don't have kids yet, but I want at least 2. Number 6. What is your favorite holiday? My favorite holiday is definitely Christmas. Number 7. What is your favorite chore? My favorite chore is vacuuming because I love clean floors. Number 8. What is your least favorite chore? My least favorite chore is doing dishes. I don't have a dishwasher, so I have to hand wash all of my dishes, and because of that, I hate it even more. Number 9. Do you listen to music while you're cleaning? Yes, most of the time I do. Number 10. What are your goals for 2019? My main goal is to be more patient because that is one thing I really have to work on. My second goal is to create a better lifestyle, so I want to start eating healthier and work out more. And my third goal is to be consistent here on YouTube and build my community. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe before you go. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!